Opening scene. Background music playing, text on screen, Argento Clear Facial Cleanser versus Garnier Skin Active Fast Bright Face Wash. Host: hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a face-off between two popular facial cleansers, the Argento Clear Facial Cleanser and the Garnier Skin Active Fast Bright Face Wash with vitamin C and lemon. Let's see which one comes out on top. Scene transition, product overview, text on screen, product overview. Host: first up, let's talk about the Argento Clear Facial Cleanser. This 200 milliliter cleanser is designed for oily and combination skin. It deeply cleanses, removes impurities, and helps treat acne and pigmentation. Key ingredients include vitamin E, tea tree oil, retinol, and glycolic acid. Host: voiceover. Argento claims to balance natural lipids, remove blackheads, and rejuvenate the skin without drying it out. The inclusion of vitamin E helps in moisturizing and protecting the skin, while tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial properties, making it effective against acne. Retinol aids in cell turnover, promoting a smoother and more even skin texture, and glycolic acid works as an exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Scene transition, Garnier product overview. Host: now let's look at the Garnier Skin Active Fast Bright Face Wash. This 100 milliliter face wash is enriched with vitamin C and lemon essence. It's designed to purify pores, remove sebum, and brighten the complexion. Host: voiceover. Garnier promises a clear, radiant, and even complexion with its unique double-action formula. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Lemon essence provides a refreshing and invigorating scent while also contributing to the brightening effect. This face wash is particularly effective in removing excess oil and impurities, leaving the skin feeling fresh and clean. Scene transition comparison. So, how do these two stack up against each other? In terms of ingredients, Argento focuses on a combination of exfoliating and anti-inflammatory agents like glycolic acid and tea tree oil. Garnier, on the other hand, emphasizes brightening with vitamin C and lemon. Argento's formula is more geared towards treating acne and pigmentation, while Garnier's formula is designed to brighten and even out the skin tone. For skin types, Argento is great for oily and combination skin, while Garnier is suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for those looking to brighten their complexion. Argento's deep cleansing action helps to control oiliness and prevent breakouts, making it ideal for those with acne-prone skin. Garnier's brightening effect is perfect for those who want to achieve a more radiant and even skin tone. Scene transition, personal experience. I've been using both products for a few weeks now. Here's what I noticed. Argento leaves my skin feeling deeply cleansed and refreshed. It helps control my oiliness without making my skin feel tight. The texture of the cleanser is smooth and it lathers well, providing a thorough cleanse. After using it consistently, I noticed a reduction in the number of breakouts and my skin felt more balanced. Garnier, on the other hand, gives an instant brightening effect and leaves my skin looking radiant and even toned. The face wash has a pleasant citrus scent and a gel-like consistency that feels refreshing on the skin. After using it for a few weeks, my complexion appeared more even and my skin felt softer and more hydrated. Scene transition conclusion. Both cleansers have their strengths. If you're dealing with oily skin and acne, Argento might be your best bet. Its deep cleansing action and acne-fighting ingredients make it ideal for those with problematic skin. But if you're looking to brighten and even out your skin tone, Garnier is a fantastic choice. Its brightening formula and refreshing scent make it a great option for daily use. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer or if you have any other products you'd like me to review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and reviews. See you next time. Thanks for watching.